Hi children, welcome back everyone. Welcome back to InfoShen Education. In the previous video, we have seen the chapter 2, Polynomial 2.1. Now we are going to see 2.2. I'm going to write it step by step so that you can understand very clearly and you won't get any doubt. If in case you have any doubt, you can reach me at in my email address infoshrineedu@gmail.com. Anytime you can email me, I can reply back on my convenient time. Okay, now let's not waste the time. Now kindly open your textbook page number 32. As we have completed 2.1 earlier, now we are going for 2.2. So now we are going to see zeros of polynomial. Okay, now the first one what we are going to see is the question p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Here if we replace x by 1 everywhere in p of x, what we will get, and also we have to do it in x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 2. So x equal to 1 and then x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 1. Now let's do it x equal to 1. So p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So we are going to do it with x is equal to 1, the first one. So p of 1 is equal to 5x is what? 1. So 1 cube minus 2, x is what? 1 square plus 3, x is what? 1 minus 2. Here 5, here 1 cube is what? 1 into 1 into 1. Any number of times, I mean the infinite number of times 1 you will get, multiplication of 1 you will get only 1. So it is 1 minus 2. 1 square, 1 into 1. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 2. So here 5 into 1, 5 minus 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 minus 2. Let's take the even numbers out. This is plus and this is plus. Plus 5 plus 3, 8, which is plus 8. Minus 2 minus 2, minus 4. So the answer is 4. Okay. So what we have to do, what we have got is 4. So the value of p of x at x equal to 1. X equal to 1 is, we got it as 4. 4. Okay. Now we are going to do it with x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0. The equation what we have is p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So p of 0, we are going to take x is equal to 0. So 5, x is what? 0. 0 cube minus 2. X is what? 0 square plus 3. X is what? 0 minus 2. So 5. So any number of 0 is 0 only. So 0. 0 into 0 into 0. Any number of 0 is 0. So minus 2. 0 into 0, 0 plus 3 into 0, anything into 0 is 0 minus 2. Here 5 into 0, anything into 0 is 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0 plus 0 again minus 2. So all we got is minus 2. So the answer is minus 2. So the value of p of x at x is equal to 0 is minus 2. Now the last one we are going to do is x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 and the equation what we have is p of x is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. So p of x is equal to minus 1 is equal to 5. X is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 the whole cube minus 2. X is what? minus 1 the whole square plus 3x is what? Minus 1 minus 2. Okay, here 5. Here we have minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. We know n number of time 1 is 1, but we have the minus symbol here. So here minus into minus is plus. We know that already. And then see, minus into minus is equal to plus. Plus into minus is equal to minus. So minus into minus is plus. Then plus into minus is minus. So minus 1, minus 2. And here this is square. Square is 2. So only 2. Minus into minus is plus. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 minus 1 minus 2. So this is minus 1 into 5 minus 5 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 into plus 3, that is minus 3 minus 2. So we have all minus. So minus 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 12. So the value of P of x at x is equal to minus 1 is minus 12. That's all. Now let's move on to the next. Okay, now again page number 32. We are going to do the example 2. Okay, now read the question. Find the value of each of the following polynomial at the indicated value of variables. Now they have given the values. The first sum what we have is P of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x is equal to 1. So they have given the x value. With this we have to substitute. So P of x is what here? 1 is equal to 5. X is what? 1. So 1 square minus 3. X is 1 plus 7. So 5. 1 square. 1 into 1 is 1 minus 3. 1 plus 7. So 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 plus 7. So this is plus, this is plus. So 7 plus 5 is 12 minus 3. So it is 9. So the answer is 9. Alright. Now let's move on to the second sum. Second is Q of y is equal to 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11 at y is equal to 2. So here they have given y is equal to 2. So Q of y is what? 2. Now 3, y is what? 2 the whole cube minus 4, y is what? 2 plus root 11. And now 3 into 3 cube. So it is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. 8 minus 4 into 2 plus root 11. So it is 8 3s are 24 minus 4 2s are 8 plus root 11. So 24 minus 8, that is 16 plus root 11, and this is the answer. Let's move on to the third one. Third one is P of t is equal to 4 to the power 4t power 4 plus 5t cube minus t square plus 6 at t is equal to a. So t, the value what they have given is a. So P of t is what? A is equal to 4. T is what? A to the power of 4 plus 5. T is what? A to the power cube I'm sorry, 4 is here. Okay. Minus t is what? A square plus 6. So it is 4 a to the power of 4 plus 5 a to the power of 3 minus a square plus 6. This is the answer. So P of A is equal to. Now example 3. Now look at page number 33, example 3. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros. We need to check whether these are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. So for this x plus 2, we have to use minus 2 and plus 2, and we have to find out which one is 0. Again, let me read the question once again. Check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. So therefore, P of x is equal to what we have? X plus 2. Let us first implement x is equal to minus 2. First we are going to implement this. So P of minus 2, that is equal to minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 and plus 2 is 0. In the same way, let me do the second one here. Actually, just for paper consuming I am doing that, but you have to do it below. Here x is equal to 2. So we have the equation P of x is equal to x plus 2. So P of 2 is 2 plus 2. So it is 4. They have asked the question which one is 0. So which one is 0? Minus 2 is 0. So therefore minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, and plus 2 is not, or but, you can say but plus 2 is not. So minus 2 is a 0. They have asked which one is 0. Minus 2 is 0, plus 2 is not a 0. Okay. Now let's move on to example 4. Example 4. Now look at the page number 33, example 4. Find the zeros of the polynomial. Now here we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. P of x is equal to 2x. P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Here they have asked us to find the zeros of the polynomial. So P of x, that is equal to 0. Okay. If P of x is 0, then this is 0, correct? So 0 is equal to 2x plus 1. We can write it as 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? 2x is equal to, and this 1 goes this side. This plus will be minus. So that is equal to minus 1. See, this is actually a fraction. Plus 1 goes to the right hand side. It will be minus 1. And x is equal to, this will go in division. Minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So this is the answer we got. Minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial of 2x plus 1. Okay, now let's move on. The other one, example 5. Now let us read the question. Verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial. Here we have to verify 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial 2x x square minus 2x. So we have to do it with 2 and 0. So first one, x is equal to 2. Let us implement this. If we implement this, P of x is equal to x square minus 2x. So P of 2, that is equal to 2 square minus 2 x. See here, x is 2. So 2 square minus 2, x is 2. So it is 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 into 2, 4. So that is 0. So obviously this is 0. This one is correct. And let us do the second one. X is equal to 0. So P of x is equal to x square minus 2x. So P of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 2 into 0. 0 into 0 is 0, we know. 0 minus anything into 0 is 0. So that is equal to 0. So both are zeros. So both 2 and 0 are zeros. Okay, now let's move on to the exercise. Now we are into the exercise 2.2. First one, find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at the first one what we have is x equal to 0. Second one what we have is x equal to minus 1. And third one what we have is x equal to 2. Okay, let's do it here only. I am just doing it side by side, but when you do it, please make sure that you do it below. Okay, so 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So we are using 0. So 5 into 0, x is 0 minus 4, x 0 squares because x square, x is 0 plus 3. So anything into 0 is 0 minus here 0 square, 0 into 0 is 0 and anything into 0 is 0 plus 3. So the answer is 3. And then minus 1. Minus 1 what we have? 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So 5 into minus 1 because x is minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 square because x is square plus 3. So 5 into minus 1 is minus 5 and here minus 4 into minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 plus 3. So minus 5 minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 3. So we have 2 minus here. So minus 9 plus 3. Therefore the answer is minus 6. And here 5x minus 4x square plus 3. 5x is 2 minus 4, x is 2 here. So 2 square plus 3. 5 into 2, 10 minus 4. 2 into 2, 4. Because 2 square, so 2 into 2, 4 plus 3. So that is equal to 10 minus 4 into 4, 16 plus 3. So here this is plus and this is plus. So 13 minus 16. So the answer is minus 3. So therefore first x of 0 is 3 and x of minus 1 is minus 6 and x is equal to 2 is minus 3. Okay, now let's move on to the second one. Find the P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. Okay, for the equation first one, P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. And again as earlier, let me do it like this, but you do it one by one. I am just doing it side by side. Let's do it P of 0. P of 0 means P of y is here, P of y. So y is equal to 0. See, look at here, P of 0. Here P of y. So y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So P of 0 is equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So 0 square is 0 minus 0 plus 1. So the answer is 1. And here P of 1. P of 1 means P of y. So y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So 1 square is 1 minus 1 plus 1. So we have plus 1 here. So 2 minus 1. So the answer is 1. And then the third one, P of 2, P of y. So the y is equal to what? 2. So y is equal to 2. P of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. So P of 2 is equal to 2 square, because y is equal to 2, y square, 2 square minus 2 plus 1. So 2 into 2, 4 minus 2 plus 1 plus. So 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. Therefore the answer is 1, 1, 3. This is the answer. See, we have been asked P of 0, P of 1, P of 2 for this equation. So for this equation, P of 0 is 1, P of 1 is 1 and P of 2 is 3. So the answer is 1, 1, 3. Now let us do the second one. The question is P of t is equal to 2 plus t plus 2 t square minus t cube. Now let's do, okay, here P of t, we have been asked P of 0 first, P of 0, here we have been asked P of 1 and we have been asked P of 2. So here what, t is equal to 0. So if t is equal to 0, P of t is equal to 2 plus t is 0 plus 2 0 square minus 0 cube. Got it? Now 2 plus 0 plus 0 into 0 into 0 is 0 again, minus 0 cube is again 0. So it is 0, 2 plus 0 plus anything into 0 is 0 minus 0. So the answer what we have is 2. And here P of 1. P of 1 is, the equation what we have is P of t is equal to, so P of t is 1. So here t is equal to 1 and here t is equal to 2 and here t is equal to 0. Okay. Now as per the equation P of t, P of 1 is equal to, look at here, 2 plus t is 1 plus 2, 1 square minus 1 cube. Okay. Now 2 plus 1 plus 2, 1 into 1 is 1 only, minus 1 cube is 1 only. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. So we have how many plus here? 3 plus. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. And here t is equal to 2. So the equation what we have is P of t is 2 is equal to 2 plus, and t is 2 plus 2 t square minus t cube. Okay, here 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 into, this is 2 into 2 is 4 minus this is cube. Cube means 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 2s. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, minus 8. So it is 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 4 is 8, minus 8. So obviously plus 8 and minus 8 will get cancelled. So it is 4. So therefore the answer is 2, 4, 4. The answer is 2, 4, 4. And the next sum is the third one. Same. P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. The third sum, P of x is equal to x is cube. So let me take the first one. P of x is equal to P of 0. So x is equal to 0. So we have, what is our equation? We have P of x is equal to cube. So P of 0 is equal to 0 cube, that is 0. And here P of 1, let us take P of 1. If you take P of 1, that is equal to x is cube. So here is what? X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So P of x is 1 is equal to 1 cube. So 1 cube is 1 only. And then the next one, P of x is equal to P of 2. So x is equal to 2. The equation is P of x is equal to x is cube. So P of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3, which is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. So the answer is 8. Therefore, the answer is 0, 1, 8. 0, 1, 8. Okay, the next sum, fourth one, we have P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1. So let's do it here. P of 0. P of 0 is x is equal to 0. So P of x is equal to x minus 1 x plus 1. So P of 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 0 plus 1. So it is minus 1 into plus 1. So minus 1 into plus 1 is what? Minus 1. And here now P of 1. P of 1, because let's read the question in the textbook, only then you will understand. Now P of 1, because here we have to find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2. So P of 0 we have done. Now we are doing P of 1. So x is equal to 1. So P of x is equal to x minus 1 into x plus 1, which is P of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0 into 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, it is 2. Now let's do it for P of 2. P of 2. So x is equal to 2. So P of x is equal to x minus 1 x plus 1. Therefore, P of 2 is equal to 2 minus 1 2 plus 1. Therefore, 2 minus 1 is 1 into 2 plus 1 3. Therefore, 3. So the answer is minus 1, 2, 3. I am sorry. Here I made a mistake. Anything into 0 is 0. So it is 0. See, this is the silly mistake what we do when we do it very fast. So we have to be very, very careful while doing that. Here we have 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 into 0. Anything into 0 is 0. So the answer is minus 1, 0, 3. Now let's move on to the 3. Sum 3. Look at the textbook, page number 35. The third question. Verify whether the following are 0 of the polynomial, indicate against them. We have to find out whether it is a 0 or not. The first sum is P of x is equal to 3x plus 1 and x is equal to, they have given minus 1 by 3. So we have to find out whether it is a 0 or not. So they have given the x value, x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So P of x is equal to, they have given 3x. 3 into the x value is minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So that is equal to 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 by 3 plus 1. So 3 tables we can cut. So you will get 1. So minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So this is the zeros of the polynomial. So this one, what is this? 3x plus 1 is the zeros of the polynomial. Now second sum. Second one is p of x is equal to 5x minus pi, and the x value they have given 4 by 5. They have given the x value is 4 by 5. So p of x is equal to 5. X is what? 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 minus pi. So 5 into 4 is 20 by 5 minus pi. So if we cut, it will be 4. So it is 4 minus 5. Therefore it is not a 0. Therefore 5x minus pi is not a zeros polynomial. Okay. Now the third one. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. So here x is equal to 1 minus 1. Here they have given two value. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Let's do it with x is equal to 1. So p of x, now we are going to do with x is equal to 1. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. So it is 1 square minus 1. So 1 minus 1, that is 0. And here we are going to do with minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. P of x is equal to x square minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1, both are 0 polynomial. Fourth one, that is p of x is equal to x plus 1, x minus 2, and x is equal to minus 1 comma 2. Now here we need to actually see there are two values, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. So let's do it x is equal to minus 1 first of all, and then let's do it x is equal to 2. So here p of x is equal to x plus 1, x minus 2. So minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 minus 2. So that's going to be 0 into minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Therefore it is minus 3. So the first one, what? 0 into minus 3, that is equal to anything into 0 is 0. Now x is equal to 2. So p of x is equal to x plus 1 into x minus 2. Therefore 2 plus 1, because we have x is equal to 2. So 2 plus 1, 2 minus 2. So that is 3 into 0. Anything into 0 is 0. So both x is equal to 1 minus 1 and 2 are 0 polynomials. That is p of x is equal to x square. The x value we have been given is x is equal to 0. So p of x is equal to x square. So p of 0 is equal to 0 square. Therefore that is 0. So p of x is equal to x square is a 0 polynomial. And then sixth one, p of x is equal to Lx plus m, and the x value we have been given is x is equal to minus m by L. We have to be very careful in doing this variable, and please notice there is no number is given, there is no constant number is given. So we are going to do with the alphabets only. So here we know that x is equal to minus m by L. So p of x is equal to Lx plus m. So L, what is x? We have minus m by L plus m. So it is, we have to multiply this. So it is minus ml by L plus m. So that is going to be L and L. We are going to cancel it. If you cancel L and L, we will get minus m plus m. So minus m and plus m is 0. Therefore, P of x is equal to Lx plus m is a 0 polynomial. And then the next one, 7th one, P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Here the x value is given as x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 comma 2 by root 3. Now we have been given two x values here. So let's do x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 here and x is equal to 2 by root 3 here. And the equation what we have is P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So 3 into, what is x here? Minus 1, the root 3, the whole square minus 1. So here, now 3 into, let us take the square inside. When you take inside, it will be minus 1 the whole square by root 3 the whole square minus 1. Now here if you see, this root and this square will get cancelled. Okay, so it is 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. This root and square is getting cancelled, so it is 3 minus 1. So it is 3 into 1 is 3 by 3 is minus 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 by 3 is 3 by 3 minus 1. So 3 by 3 is what? 1. Therefore 1 minus 1. Therefore it is 0. And here P of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So 3, 2 by root 3 the whole square minus 1. Let's take the square inside. When you take the square inside, 3 into 2 square by root 3 the whole square minus 1. And again, as I said, this root and the square will get cancelled. Therefore 3 into 2 into 2 is 4. Root and 2 gets cancelled, so it is 3 minus 1. So 3 into 4 is 12 by 3 minus 1. So 12 by 3 is what? 4 you will get. So therefore 4 minus 1, so that is 3. So what we have is, we have 3 here, but here we have got 0. So therefore in this sum we have to prove only 0. Therefore we have to say, therefore P of x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 is a 0 polynomial. This is the 0 polynomial. This one is 0 because we have got the answer is 0. But here we have got the answer is 3. So this is not a 0 polynomial. Have is 8th one. 8th one is P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. And the x value is given as 1 by 2. So if the x value is 1 by 2, P of x is equal to 2x plus 1. So it is 2, 1 by 2 plus 1. So 2 into 2, 2 by 2 plus 1. So you will get 1 plus 1. Therefore the answer we get is 2. So this is not a 0 polynomial. Okay, and alright, now let's move on to the 4th question. We are done with the 3rd one now. Let's move on to the 4th question. It is again on the page number 35. Find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. Now we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. Okay, we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. P of x is equal to x plus 5. So we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial means P of 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0. So we have to find x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to, when you take this 5 this side, minus 5. So this is minus 5. So this is not the zeros of the polynomial. So the answer is x is equal to minus 5. And the second one, P of x is equal to x minus 5. So here the zeros of the polynomial, x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 goes this side is plus 5. So this is also not the zeros of the polynomial. And then third one, P of x is equal to 2x plus 5. So 2x plus 5, that is equal to 2 into 0 plus 5. Anything into, I'm sorry. We have to find the x. So equal to 0. So 2x is equal to plus 5 goes this side is minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5, and this 5 will this 2 will go to the denominator. So the answer is x is equal to minus 5 by 2. We are not implementing 0. We are finding the zeros of the polynomial in each cases. Now the fourth one. The fourth one, P of x is equal to 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 2 goes this side is plus 2. So x is equal to 2 by 3 goes this side is denominator. So x is equal to 2 by 3. And the fifth one, what we have is P of x is equal to 3x. So 3x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 by 3. Anything by 0 is equal to 0. And here, let me do this. The sixth one. P of x is equal to ax. P of x is equal to ax. But what they have written, a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Alright, the equation is P of x is equal to ax. So the ax is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 by a goes to the denominator. When it goes to the denominator, x is equal to 0. And the last sum what we have is the seventh one. P of x is equal to cx plus d. And they have written c is not equal to 0. C and D are real number. They are real numbers. Okay. The equation what we have is P of x is equal to Cx plus D. So Cx plus D is equal to 0. Cx is equal to plus D goes this side minus D. So x is equal to minus D. The c goes to the denominator, that is c. So x is equal to minus c by d. So this is what the answer. Now we are done with the exercise 2.2. If you have any questions, kindly email me to info@gmail.com, or you can also reach me at the cell number, that is 890-354-8895. If you have any questions, kindly reach me out. Just follow this video so that you will be able to understand each and every equation and each and every step. Make sure you do it step by step. Do not skip any step, because in mathematics, especially in algebra, you will have the step mark. So don't where's the step mark? Please make sure that you are doing it step by step to score full mark. Now we have done with 2.2. In the next video, we will talk about 2.3, which is bit critical, but however, it is very interesting when you understand. So I'll make sure you understand, and I'll give you some special tips also so that you will not forget forever. And 2.3, mostly that will come in 5-mark question, which is very, very important as well, and we can do it very easily. So as of now, I'm good, and let's end up this session. 2.2, let's meet up in 2.3. Thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation, and thanks to my cameraman. Thanks everyone. Have a nice day. We'll meet you on 2.3 video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.